Hello viewers, good day once again. Today's video is about cars. And see, some of us know you really need cars from China. And see, those who normally come to us asking about, can you buy cars from China? Can you buy cars from China? Yes, you can buy cars from China. And trust me, these brands are the normal brands that we've been riding in Ghana. So your Benz, other type, yes, Toyota, Mone, Nissan. Those popular brands na yɛden yɛnim wɔ Ghana no nti this video maybe display some of the cars. They have brand new and used cars over here. I don't know much about cars, but they have beautiful cars here. And those that I'll be revealing, it should in case if you are interested, we have the prices for any cars over here. And you can also reach out to us. Then with the one that you want, we give you the price. Yeah, so let's start from the front cars now. I think these ones are brand new. Now we're Jetto. Yes, and probably this one is brand new. They have all this type of cars over here, popular cars. You can see from that side, and they are not this overhead, or these cars are for them. They're not into cars, they are also into buses as well. And see, they have this type over here, and your back side there is so they have Toyota, yeah. To be able to wholesale cars, and also they have brand new as well. So I'll take my time and just go through all these cars for you to know the type of cars that they have over here. Based on the cars list, the list that they have over here is like 2020. The list here they have over here is like 2020. They have up to 2024, and all these cars they are not that used. Some are used, some are brand new. Should in case if you are also wanting Hosana, you can also come forward. We give you the prices and everything that you will need. Now I'm occupy this place. They have nice cars over here. Maybe they are yet taxi and now private car, now boat and Uber. Yeah, they have quality ones over here. But I don't think they have that fit now normally. Yeah, because they Uber and anyway when we are seeing they don't have that type. Don't have that type, so that Corolla, so I see hybrid, yeah. All these ones are Toyota Corolla hybrid. So I feel some more Nissan 4x4, so what I say. Yeah. All these cars are available. If you're interested, you just come forward. Yeah. I think so. Maybe probably Chinese brand and I Yeah. In fact, China they have quality cars. Just by say here, I'm not seeing any electric car over here. But all the same, I normally Ghana fan because we are into this full cars. Yeah. So all these cars are here and available for sale. Okay, so I think I've seen some BYD type in the world. See, they have BYD type in the world. See, normally, but China so you see a lot of electric cars, BYD in different types. These ones, they are brand new. They're brand new. When you BYD the one more I see. Yeah, this ones are the BYDs. Until we team Tobagana with him there boat Uber business, no taxi business. All this I think they are brand new. Yeah, so you can see inside. This one's electric cars. Camera and the boy no more. Come on, sir. We also buy electric car. Yes, same as this one. Beijing. I don't know if that's the car name now, but what I know is Beijing is a city in China here. Some electric cars too are over here. I think so. This one is Tesla. I've seen Tesla over there. Ghana, if I listen to Tesla or Ghana. Alright. Yeah, so it goes here. They also have Range Rover. Saka we don't pay me. Remember reveal. I think it's a Xiaomi also there. Yeah. The popular phone brands in the that technology stuff now. They also have cars, and you can see a lot of people driving them. Also, they have vans. Like just so I say. Their cars are not that bad, Charlie. Very nice. this too. I'm always what I say. Mini excavator, so I say. And then bus, you turn bus. Yeah, you inside this bus is here. Ghana for the more too. Yeah. Currently, someone is inside taking pictures. It is also into that. Since that's how there is so types I was in any songs. Yeah. Most of their cars now brand used ones, but yet that user and if you are interested, I'll wait my day about for it. I know a lot of people import cars from other countries. China too is one of the best countries you can import cars from, and most of the cars that we've been using also they have over here. If you're planning buying any new car recently, this is the best place you should come and place your order. Yeah, but try this another place. You try Nyako. Show those cars over there as well. This another side of BMW. I don't know about this brand. It will Honda, so I say. Yeah. So they have different brands. Irrespective of what you want, you can just come forward and then you place your order. Yeah. Or more Honda or more Hyundai, so I say. Yeah. And then Jeep. Yeah, so I've seen one or two electric cars inside. Especially this one is an electric car. So if you're planning on getting an electric car for yourself, or this one too. This one I don't know, but I hope so. So any brand that you could think of, I think they have over here. All you have to do is to come forward. Very nice cars. one for next test cars in was here instead of yes. So these cars are here. Yeah, this is the thing. If you're planning to get a new car, be there. China has some of the best cars. You can just come. Then we give you the quote. Yeah, whatever that you are interested in will be. I know you're ready. You'll be in your house. Yeah. I'm all for the neck here. Yeah.